starting to move. There he goes.
Bye, Fred.
We're trying to save this fish. And little Manor still alive. Here's the fish.
We're about to let it go.
Sebastian already named him Fred, but that's why you can't get attached to things too quickly. All right, there goes Fred. He's right here. He's hiding in the corner because he wants all that water. He's starting to move. You see him? There he goes.
Bye, Fred.
He's over here. He went that way. Hey, dude, it's alright. We can always catch fish, go buy fish, and go to the ocean and catch fish and eat fish.